Let's crack it in Python this time. For this problem, we'll want to get the hashed password, and then with that hashed password, crack it. The hashed password is going to be passed in via the command line argument. So once we have that, let's get cracking. You may make the assumption that the passwords are hashed with the crypt module. So import that to access the crypt function, which takes in a word and a salt. The fundamental principle to this is that hashing a word will always return the same hash as long as we use the same hash function and salt. So if we try a word and hash it, then if that hash matches the hash that the user gave us, then we can assume that we have found their password. Then, in order to make those guesses, then we need to make a couple of assumptions. You may assume that these passwords are no longer than 4 characters long, and that they're composed entirely of alphabetical characters. So the crux of this problem is to generate all of the plaintexts to be hashed, iterating over every possible permutation of 1 to 4 letters. Now remember that passwords are case sensitive, so an uppercase A is going to be a different password than a lowercase a. I might suggest using strings of lengths 1, 2, 3, and 4, iteratively updating the indices of those strings, cycling through the alphabet uppercase and lowercase. And once you find a string that, once hashed, matches the hash that the user gave you, you've cracked the problem. My name is Zamila, and this was Crack.